Hey guys, today we're diving into the epic battle of two tech giants, the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 15. They both bring a lot to the table, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's find out. So Samsung's Unpacked event just unleashed a trio of new smartphones, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. But how do they stack up against the iPhone 15? Let's break it down. Samsung's AI features. First up, if you're into cutting-edge AI, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is your go-to. With generative AI integrated into various aspects like email, text, photos, voice memos, and more, it takes the lead over the iPhone 15. Imagine having a real-time conversation with someone speaking a different language. That's the power of Samsung's AI. Now, the speed is your game. The S24 boasts the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures blazing fast performance, smooth multitasking, and energy efficiency. Sorry, iPhone 15, but the S24 has the upper hand here. Variable refresh rate. And for those who love smooth scrolling, especially on sunny days, the Galaxy S24's variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz steals the show. Plus, with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, your screen stays legible even in bright sunlight. Apple, take notes. Alright, iPhone fans, don't go anywhere. The iPhone 15 has its strengths too, but I can only think of a few reasons why you might want to go for it. Screen resolution. If you're all about that crisp and realistic image, the iPhone 15's slightly smaller display still packs a punch with higher screen resolution and pixel density. Sometimes it's quality over quantity, right? Apple ecosystem. And let's not forget the power of the Apple ecosystem. Seamless integration between your iPhone, iPad, AirPods, and Apple Watch. It's like a tech utopia for many Apple fans. If you thrive on that consistency, the iPhone 15 might be your ideal companion. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 15, each with its own set of perks. Whether you're captivated by Samsung's AI prowess or enticed by the allure of the Apple ecosystem, the choice is yours. Drop your comments below and let us know which one you'd pick. Until next time, stay tech savvy.